In this video, I am going to show you how to compare search terms in Google Trends. To compare multiple search terms in Google Trends, including terms in different languages, and analyze their search interest over time, follow these instructions. Go to Google Trends and start by searching for your initial term, such as Java. Once your first term is searched, you will see a compare box or N plus add comparison option. Use this to add another search term you want to compare, like coffee. Google Trends allows you to compare up to 5 groups of terms at once, with up to 25 terms in each group. After adding your terms, the page will update to display comparative analysis of search interests over time. Each term or group of terms will be represented by a different color on the graph, allowing you to easily see how search interest varies between them. If you need to remove a term from your comparison, look for the menu next to the term you want to remove. Click it and select Remove from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that Google Trends does not account for misspellings, spelling variations, synonyms, or plural or singular versions of your terms automatically. Make sure to enter the exact terms you want to compare for the most accurate results. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.